BMW G87 M2 arch guard install. Our carbon fiber arch guards at Automotive Passion come in glossed full carbon and ABS gloss black plastic. So let's open up the box. We have got our arch guards, we have got our rear hardware, we have got our new replacement front rivet plugs that are going to replace the old pop rivet plugs once we remove them, and we have our rivet gun that we are going to use to reinstall the arch guards once they are in place. Let's go ahead and get them fitted up. Front arch guards are all ready to be fitted up on the M2. We have added a little bit of 3M tape. We're going to remove the 3M tape top bits just to add a little bit of protection on the bottom side there, keep the arch guards rock solid. To remove the original plastic plugs, we are going to push the little pins through the pop rivet plugs, and this will allow the plugs to come out fairly simply. We are now going to go ahead, remove the 3M tape at the bottom, pop the arch guards up behind the plastic arch liner. Using our new rivet tool, we are going to pop the new rivet plugs in place that are supplied with the kit. The rivet tool works like such. You're going to pop the little pin into the top of the gun. As soon as you start to compress the sides of the gun, you will see that the pin is pulled outwards and adds strain to the top of the plug. Let's go ahead and get them fitted up. Adding a bit of pressure, we are now going to pinch the plugs. Those are the pins now securely in place. We are now going to go and just snap off the tips. We can retake the gun now and crunch it once more. Moving on to the rear of the G87 M2, you will see that there are two screw hole locations on the back. We are going to remove the original screws, and with the rear arch guards, you are going to get new rear hardware that you are going to use with the arch guards. So let's go ahead, remove the original screws and fit up the rear arch guards. Now that we have the original screws removed, we can go ahead and fit the arch guards. The spacers are on the outside of the arch guard, and the little black washers are on the top side of the arch guard. Arch guards are fitted like so, with the outside rounded edge on the outside. And that is the rear all fitted up. Before you tighten them up fully, you are able to adjust the arch guards and slide them in and out of the arch for your desired fitment and how much you would like them to protrude out of the arch.